welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can open any particular file which is stored locally in your VS Code. So in order to open any particular Python file, what you're going to need to do is simply head on to the File tab at the top of the ribbon in your VS Code and then click here. And from here, you can see this option which says Open File. So if the file is not inside a particular folder, or if you don't want to extract a particular folder, you can choose this option which says Open File, and it will open your file manager, and from here you need to navigate to that particular file that you want to open. So for example, if I want to open this particular Python file, then what I'm going to do is simply click here and then click on the open button, and here you can see that the file has been successfully imported into our VS Code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.